Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to hide your active online status on Facebook using the absolute latest application layout. First, tap on your menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top left. A side panel will appear. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Once the Settings interface loads, locate the section labeled Audience and Visibility. Look at the very bottom of the audience list choices, find Active Status, and tap on it. Inside, locate the primary header option toggle explicitly labeled Show when you're active. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Show when you're active to slide it off. A confirmation workspace prompt will slide into View Layout Framework asking if you want to turn off active status. Tap directly on the Turn Off Action button inside the prompt to completely lock in your selection rules. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.